This video provides an overview of the two models of disability. These models provide a basis for defining disability and assess how society and the individual play a role in resolving the impairment associated with the disability. The two major models of disability include the medical model and the social model. Now, let's explore each model in more detail. The medical model attempts to remedy disability impairment by means of medical cures and medical intervention. In this case, the individual is viewed as the object of impairment due to their disability. The solution is to try to remedy the impairment to make the individual seem more normal in the eyes of society. In this model, society does not have a role in making accommodations for the individual. Rather, it is solely up to the individual to work around society to manage their impairment. So, what are the issues with this model and how do they relate to education? The medical model views disability as a curable impairment that needs to be corrected within the individual. Unfortunately, not all disabilities can be fully corrected with medical intervention. Some disabilities can be improved with medicine and therapy, but they don't resolve the impairment completely. Society lacks responsibility within this model. In other words, it's up to the individual to work around limitations and barriers that prevent accessibility. For instance, a staircase without a ramp limits access to a person in a wheelchair. In this model, the individuals are often isolated as a result of their disability. They are sent to specialized schools that separate them from others, which limits their ability to be integrated and accepted into society. In the social model, disability is looked at in terms of the interaction between the individual and society. In this case, impairment needs to be addressed by societal change to ensure that those with a disability can have equal and adequate access. This model focuses on the actual needs of the person and does not view the individual as the problem. Now, let's take a closer look at how this model interacts with aspects of education. In this case, the social model seeks to improve accommodation and accessibility standards for the individual. This includes things like adding ramps and elevators to buildings, adding braille signs to internal environments, and providing video, captioning, and audio guides, just to name a few examples. In the social model, the individual is integrated into society as a normal person. Individuals should be treated in an equal manner and thus should be allowed to attend schools with other individuals to allow them to become part of society. The social model provides a more humanized approach to disability and provides more respect to the individual in terms of providing accommodations and accessibility.